May mga entrata update. Sa side story ni JB yan. Yung may bagay pa nga. Mukhang mag-i-start na yata sila. Sila may. And may nakapaskil pa nga doon. Sabi nakalagay yung Roha. Donnie Pangilinan. Mukhang mag-i-start na. Ang cast ng Roha. Sa ito sa post ni JB sa TikTok. Sabi, another a long day of work. Vibing is a match with my best friend. Ayan, may entrata. Nasaya pa nga nila. Galit pa nga ni Maymay dyan. May nag-breakdance pa nga dyan. Sasayaw-sayaw sila dyan sa isang room. Yan o, breakdance o. Maymay.
Kita niyo po yung buhok ko. Pakalbo na po ako. Charot lang. Matagal ko na po talaga sinasabi ko. At gusto kong genre na itatry po. At yun po yung action talaga. Tapos ngayon matutupad na siya. Kaya excited ako.
Nagkaroon pa ng acting workshop si Maymay with Miss Anna. Saka may kasama pa nga siya si Vanessa. Ito yung video.
Una ko nakatrabaho si Maymay back in 2018. She was doing Lalo na Sangre. Midway Lalo na Sangre. Nawagan ako ng production na kung po pwede kong i-workshop o tulungan si Maymay. She came in so new, so scared, very small at nanginginig. Small steps kami. Eventually, she found her way. She was able to survive her first soap. And after that, hindi na siya kumalas. She continued having sessions with me, one-on-one sessions with me. And eto ka, she pays for her own sessions. It says a lot about her character and how much she values her work. She was smart enough and intuitive enough to know that whatever it is na papasukin niya, kailangan niyang pag-aralan ng mabuti. And ever since, tandem na kaming dalawa. We have always worked together na one-on-one sessions, never in a class, even if she wanted to join some of my other classes. Parang hindi nagkakaroon ng opportunity. Recently, we have been working together again. Kumbaga, tanggalin yung mga kalawang-kalawang kasi ang tagalan niyang hindi uma-acting. And then, yesterday, I was thinking, parang kailangan niya ng relationship work. Kailangan niya ng kabatuhan na artista. So, I had a class before her, and one of my students, one of my very promising and very talented students, si Vanessa Peña, naisip ko, Vanessa, may gagawin ka ba mamaya? Kasi may workshop ako kay Maymay. Parang kailangan niya ng kabatuhan, kailangan niya ng ka-relationship work. Game ka pumunta. Walang pag-aatubili, sinabi Vanessa, game! To my surprise, this was one of the most unforgettable sessions I had with Maymay and also Vanessa, because the chemistry and the work and the kind of commitment that I saw in that small room was a gift. What came out of the exercises, para silang long-lost sisters. So many beautiful moments happened in there in that session. And I wish I could do a project na silang dalawa ang magkasama, like a little movie na sila magkasama, because grabe ang work nilang dalawa, ang galing-galing nilang dalawa. So, wala sa plano yon na magila ako ng artista para meron siyang kabatuhan. But the unplanned things, sometimes yun pa yung talagang a gift from the universe, and these are the things that make me feel so fulfilled as a teacher.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.